How to make your computer faster, Windows 10 is the topic of today's video. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. I am Tutorial Tucker and I make loads of awesome tutorials just like this every single week. So make sure you do go and subscribe and hit a big fat like on this video. Really do appreciate it, and please turn notifications on. So in this video I'm showing you some of the best softwares and a couple of tricks to go and increase your speed of Windows 10, because I know how annoying it is when it starts to lag and just other stuff like that. So this is a good way of just speeding up your PC and also just getting rid of old files which are no longer needed. So I really appreciate if you could go and check out the links down below. I've put all the links to software, but I do break down how to use the software, so I do recommend watching this whole video all the way through. And yeah, I've got some other links about growing your channel, so make sure you go and check that out and enjoy the video. So here we are on the first trick. I'm showing you how to speed up your computer. So before you go and click off, now I revealed it, do not, because I'm going to be showing you some other tips in this video and how to use the software to have the most effective impact on your computer. So just keep watching and I'm going to break it all down for you. So all you do is click on free download, and then it'll bring down here, and all you want to do is click download again, and then you'll need to come down here again and click download, and then you just need to go and wait, and you should get a download just like this. As you can see, it's downloading and it's telling you some basic instructions. So yeah, all you do is click on it and you'll get a pop-up, security pop-up, which always blocks it out on my screen for you. And we're just getting this loader. Just continue to wait, and I'll put this in the middle of our screen. So as you can see, all you do need to do is go and click install. Just do the main installation. Do not try and customize it, it's not worth it. Just do the standard installation. You can see show details, and it's just installing all the stuff it was going to need for the software to work. So just like a normal installation, it'll go and do its thing, but this is a really effective software. So I don't want to review release notes, so I'm just going to click run CCleaner, and now we're getting another pop-up. Now, as you can see, if I can move this, all you need to do is click off this. You don't need to bother about that. And then let's put this in the middle. So it'll tell you your PC specs up here, which is useful. But all I recommend doing is doing this basic health check. So just do next, next, next. As you can see, it is really good software, and click get started. So I'm just gonna, you need to close Chrome, which should be okay. I think I'm still recording. I thought I might close my recording software, but anyway, as you can see, it tells you everything which is wrong with your computer. So you've got this many trackers to remove, this much, you can save over 200 megabytes of space, and it will disable stuff, but you have to have the pro. So the free version does just get most of the important stuff done. So yeah, then go and click make it better. So now it's patching it up and cleaning everything up and removing all the trackers. So just wait for it, and it will take a few minutes. Then, as you can see, that is now done. So that's it. This is the first software revealed. I'm going to go and hop into the second one now, but yeah, it's really good, and I do recommend this one. But now let's jump into the second software, and I guess the second method. Okay, so the second site is Malwarebytes. Like I said before, I'm showing you how to install this and how to use the software to have the most potential and impact on your computer. So yeah, all you want to do is go and click free download. There is a premium version, but the free one does literally everything you need it to. So yeah, I recommend going to do the free version, and it automatically downloads for you. So as you can see, that's just the file one, and all you do is click on it like before, and you'll get that security pop which is blocked. And then all you need to do is, well, I'm assuming it's your personal computer, so click on that. And I'm pretty sure if you do a work computer, you'll probably have to pay more or have a premium license. So there. Anyway, go and click install, and we're just running our normal installation sort of method. This bar will just go across the screen. But like I said, do keep watching the video, because I'm revealing another easier method at the end, which loads of people don't know about, but it's really important you do go and follow that. So yeah, just continue to wait for it to install. Malwarebytes is a really good software, and I often do myself run both of these softwares at the same time. It's just really, well, not at the same time, but when I go to clean my PC, you know, every couple of days, I run both these softwares. So I do either one first, and then yeah, I don't run them at the same time, but I do use both of them when I'm cleaning my PC. So yeah, just wait for it to install. It doesn't take too long. It should take only a couple more seconds, and once it does install, you'll just have to finish off the installation process. As you can see, it's now finished, and we should be getting another pop-up very soon, hopefully. And then you need to go and double click it, and it should start to run it. So wait for that. Once you've then gone and opened it up, you'll be getting this message here, and all you do is click get started. Now, as you can see, you have these options with Malwarebytes Premium, which is not really anything to worry. You don't need it, basically. Sometimes you get a trial. I have to see, you're getting a 14-day trial, which is really good. So this is a really good way to get advantage of. So you can basically clean your PC up as soon as you get the software, but then you get the free version afterwards, and you get it's 14 days, so you can run it a few times, you know, which is really, really useful. So then all you want to do is go and click scan. It has got the potential to have scheduled scans, which is really useful, and you can have web protection, malware protection, ransom protection, and exploit protection, and this is real time if you have the premium. The free version isn't, but still it's really good to have. So let's go and click scan, and it's going to start running everything. And as you can see, it literally tells you everything it's searched, which is really cool as well, and how many items it's scanning. So it literally scans your whole computer for all infections. So often infections can be sewing up your PC, so it's just a good way to speed your PC up. So yeah, we'll continue to wait, and this one does sometimes take a bit longer with my experience than CCleaner, but they're still both pretty fast. As you can see, it's doing it pretty fast. The file system is the bit which takes the longest with my experience, but yeah, we'll continue to wait for this to download. But like I said, all the links will be down below if you do need to go and get them, because I do recommend this. Obviously it is at your own risk, because these softwares have a low chance, but they can sometimes cause damage, but they're still good to run. Just make sure you do your research into it, and yeah, that's the important thing. So just continue to wait. It will take a while depending on the size of your computer. That is a big factor. The bigger your computer is, well, I mean, the more files you have, the more it does have to search for any like viruses, and also how many programs you have. So if you have like a load of small programs, that will go and increase the amount you have to go and scan. But yeah, continue to wait, and it tells you a little your scan duration timer up here. So yeah, I think I'm going to cut now and show you once it is fully finished. So it's now made this list. Now for some reason there is sometimes like a bit of a glitch I find, that it seems to think your stuff in Chrome, and I've done some research onto this and it does normally say that, but actually here, as you can see, there is a sponsored setup. So yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to go and delete all this by clicking quarantine, and then you go and click so once permission detected, if you're on all these also on your computer. So I actually had to untick that, so just make sure they're all clicked, but if you do not want that to be removed, then you can just go and unclick it. But yeah, I shouldn't have done that anyway. Quarantine, and it's going to go and run it. So it did close Chrome, and there you go, you click done. You can click review report as well, and it reveals everything which is done for you. So click close and click done, and yeah, now you're back at the software. So obviously while you've got your premium, you're going to be protected the whole time, but once that runs out, then you're not. So yeah, now let's get into this final trick I'm going to be showing you. So all you want to do is press the Windows key and R, and you're going to get this pop up here. Now here you can enter this folder to go and clear. So what you want to do is %temp, so TEMP, and then do another %, and then you have this here. Go and enter this and click OK, and then we're getting this folder here. So this is often not actually cleared by the cleaning software. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't, but all you need to do is go and delete all of this by selecting it all like you normally would and click delete. And then it's going to go and do it. So because I have Discord running, it's just going to skip that. So I just click skip anyway. And you have to skip that one as well, unfortunately. Because I think that is because their programs are running. So yeah, and then obviously to go and finish that fully, you need to go and empty your recycling can, which doesn't take 2 minutes. So yeah. Also guys, I want to quickly put a quick message out there. There are a lot of these sort of virusy softwares. I'm not going to say any specific, but just be careful when kind of researching more softwares to help speed up your computer. A lot of them are viruses themselves. It's sort of the opposite of what they say they actually do, so just be careful. And there are so many other tricks we're showing you on the channel, but like I found out some of these basic things, just restarting your PC, just basic stuff like that. And I'm making more videos on actually speeding up your hard drive. So if you are interested in more content like that, please go and do leave a comment down below, because I'm really excited for the future of the channel. It's going really well, and I just want to quickly say, yeah, thank you for the support, and I hope you are still watching right now, because like I said before, just do be careful with these softwares. The two I've currently showed you, I use myself and install on my computer, and they've been really good for me, but others can't be as well. So yeah, just go make sure you do your research before go and using these softwares. But overall, I hope the two softwares I did show you and the little trick has worked well for you. They do work really well. Just make sure you go and do that regularly. I do it once or twice a week, which seems to work really well for me. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed the video. I appreciate all the support at the minute on the videos. We're doing so well. I'm trying to upload a lot more consistently to help you just with all sorts of stuff. Like this used to be more like a bit more like stuck in a certain genre, but I'm trying to sort of spread the whole channel out all over sort of different tutorials, just like, you know, how to improve Windows. I'm making a few Mac tutorials as well, because I see a lot of people struggle with those. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and yeah, let's just go an outro, I guess. That is the video. I hope you have found it useful. If you have, please go and leave a big fat like down below. I really do appreciate it, and look forward to catching you in the next one. Peace out.